What's happening?
What up? I just got a car.
Did you really?
I did.
What'd you get?
I got a 2018 4Runner.
Yeah. Where did you drive here from?
Nashville.
Guys,
From Nashville.
people are coming all the way from Nashville, Tennessee to see the Kinny Landrum buy a car.
That's right.
Yes. Did you have a good experience?
I had a great experience. Kinny was by far the best I've worked with thus far.
Now,
I'm saying a lot.
you talked to a lot of salespeople, didn't you?
I did some slimy ones too.
So, I mean, you went to a bunch of different dealerships, right?
I looked at so many cars, I can't even tell you. And Kinny truly was the best.
So, you were gonna leave and not buy a car, right? Because you said, hey, you know, Kinny, I've got to think about this, right?
I did. You guys want to hear what Kinny did for me?
Well, you know, did I press you at all to buy a
No.
car? All we did was talk a little bit, right?
We did.
And you made the decision to go ahead and move forward, right?
I absolutely did.
Cool. And that's what's really important, is that when I'm talking to my customers, that you feel like this is all your decision. I'm just here to help facilitate the buying process.
That's exactly how I felt. I really appreciate it.
Good, I appreciate you. Thanks for driving all the way from Nashville. Guys, all the way from Nashville, Tennessee to Bowling Green. How long did it take you to get here?
And well, with traffic, a little over an hour.
Guys, is it worth it to go see Kinny at Toyota Bowling Green?
Worth it.
Yeah, so if your friends are looking for a vehicle, would you feel comfortable recommending me to them coming to buy a car?
100%.
Guys, you heard it from Liz, 100%. Can I post this on my Facebook page and tag you?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We're still recording.
Yes, I know we're still recording. It's kind of like the B-roll. You know that video you watched in there?
Yeah.
It's kind of like the B-roll. So thank you so much.
Guys, come see Kinny at Toyota Bowling Green.
Yes, all right. Thanks, Liz. I appreciate
You're
you.
welcome. Thank you.
All righty. I'm going to sign out now.
Okay. Check it.
Check it.